Hey, VA Nation, Jeff Newton here with National VA Loans. And today we're going to address, well, one thing, it's a question, but it's also something that I consider a myth, and that's that are VA loans hard? Let's get after it. Okay, so we get this a lot, and people think VA loans are hard. And, you know, it is a myth. And before we get to that, I do want to address one thing. As you can see, we've got a meme up here with Bruce Willis and from Die Hard. So I do want to address this. Die Hard is a Christmas movie. You can argue with me in the comments, but Die Hard is a Christmas movie. All right. All right. So question is are VA loans hard? And the simple answer is yeah, of course they're hard for anyone that's not a veteran and doesn't qualify for a VA loan. That's a pretty simple answer. Yes, they are hard for those people. But for our veterans out there and our service members that are eligible for a VA loan, no, they're not any harder than any other loan out there on the market. One thing and one reason I believe that a lot of people think or have a feeling that VA loans are harder than an FHA loan or a USDA loan or even a conventional loan is because they have certain VA or certain appraisal requirements. Um, the appraisal requirements are roughly the same on any government loan, whether it be FHA, USDA, or VA. So you don't see anything there. But what those appraisal requirements are in place for is to protect you as the veteran or the service member. They make sure the house is up to code. They make sure that everything is safe. That there's no issues that you're going to be moving into that the appraiser could catch on with a blind eye. So they make sure that everything is in working order. But let me tell you a couple places where the VA loan is actually easier than other loans. On typical loans, you have to serve or source a down payment. So, whether it be a conventional FHA, you're going to have 3% or higher down payment, which means that you're going to come to the table with that money. And anytime you're coming to the table with any sort of money at all, you have to source where that money comes from, whether it's your personal bank account, credit card, or a credit account, or if it's just a gift from a family member, you still have to source that and go through all that work. So that's one place where the VA loan is definitely easier. Of course, right along those lines, the rates are typically a little bit better than what you're going to see on a lot of your conventional loan products. So you can actually save yourself a little bit of money because of where the rates are at. Now that differs on every different product, of course, but in most cases we'll see a VA rate be a little bit cheaper than a conventional rate. So there, right there, there's two ways that the VA loan is a little bit easier. Of course, there's a lot of different factors that are involved, but not having mortgage insurance is huge, and that allows you to have a higher debt ratio and allows you to go a little bit more and allows you to have a little bit higher payment or lower payment, I guess I should say, at a higher loan amount than what you would on a conventional or an FHA loan. So the answer to the question is no. VA loans are not any harder. There are some safety or there are some appraisal precautions that are put into place, but it's not any harder. And yes, Die Hard is a Christmas movie. So, guys, if you have any questions at all, give us a call, 855-956-4040. We'll be happy to answer any of them. All of our VA specialists are ready, waiting, and available to answer your questions. Of course, you can check us out at nationalvaloans.com or subscribe in one of these spots here and make sure to stay tuned with all of our YouTube information so you can stay up to date with everything that we do out there and put out for the VA home loan. Again, if you're looking to apply right now and you want to get that application in for one of our VA specialists, you can go to nationalapplynow.com. That application will come right to our VA specialist, and they'll be able to give you a call, go through all the different information, and answer every question you might have. Again, folks, thank you for your service. Thank you for your time. And no, the VA loan is not hard. If you guys have any other questions, 855-956-4040. Until next time, thank you for your service and God bless.